Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today we will make eggless cake in gas stove. For making this recipe, take a mixing bowl. Firstly, sieve half a cup sugar. This is powder sugar. Sieve properly, then add half cup cooking oil. Now beat with a beater for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add quarter teaspoon baking soda and a full teaspoon baking powder. Add both the ingredient together. You can sieve both the ingredient. Now add half cup curd. If the batter is thickened, then you can add little more curd. Now beat for 2 minutes. Add 1.5 cup flour. Sieve the flour. At last add a teaspoon lemon juice. Beat well until it's smooth. Now prepare a cake tin, apply some oil and then sprinkle some flour. Pour the prepared batter and tap well. In a pressure cooker, put some sand and a stand. You can replace the sand with salt. Keep the cake tin carefully upon the stand. Now put a lid. I will cover the small hole of lid with paper so that cake will cook properly. Cook the cake for 15 minutes. After 12 to 13 minutes, you can check with a toothpick whether the cake is well cooked or not. Then turn off the flame. Allow it to cool completely, then demold. Our cake is ready. Thanks for watching.